Hey folks, welcome to the Car DIY channel and my latest episode of Automotive Bad Judgment. This is my 1976 Vanguard Citicar that I dragged home about 2 years ago, and I'm finally getting started on the restoration project. Now, I do have a video over on my main channel, the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel, that kind of goes over the intro of this project, but what we're going to be doing here on the Car DIY channel is doing all the little incremental updates. So all the little jobs I'm doing on this, I'm going to keep posting here, both in long form videos and shorts. So if you want to see all the updates on this car, you're going to want to hit subscribe because you're going to be getting all those. But let me give you just a quick walk around of what we're looking at here. If you want a more in-depth view of this project, head on over to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel and you can see the full video there. Now this body is made out of ABS plastic, and this body has a lot of problems. Like that. And I already have shot videos on the process of doing ABS welding, plastic welding, and also the 3D printing process for building these. So I've already rebuilt one of the brakes and filmed that one. That'll be up soon. I have 3 more to go, but once those are done, the master cylinder seems to be fine. I should finally have brakes in this thing and it'll be slightly less of a death trap. The vinyl roof was removed, and I noticed a lot more cracking up here, so I'm going to be actually fixing this using another method that'll be up on an upcoming video, and then I'm going to be putting a new vinyl top on the roof. Interior, the seat is going to get redone, the carpet on the floor is going to get redone, the dash has to be completely gone through because I have no idea if any of that stuff works. Under the seat is where the batteries are going to live, and also access to the motor, and we're going to be repowering this thing with lithium iron phosphate batteries, which have been generously provided to us by Epic batteries. Now I have confirmed that the motor works, but where the motor actually connects to the rear end, there is no transmission in this thing. The seal is shot and it is leaking. So that rear seal is going to have to first be made because I don't know where to get a new one, and then we're going to have to replace it. And then once we know the drivetrain's good and the body has been repaired, we're going to paint the whole thing again. But we're definitely going to have to recreate these sweet decals, because I love these decals. So if this sounds like a hoot and you want to follow along the process of getting this thing back on the road, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button so you get updates for when we post up the videos, and also check out the main channel for a more in-depth look at what this thing is right now and what we're going to be doing with it. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, shoot me any questions or comments. If you happen to want to sponsor us a motor controller, that'd be swell too, because I need one of those. And of course, thanks for watching.